The Affiliate X notice block can be used if you do not want visitors to miss out on any important information on your website. In this video, I will show you how to add the Affiliate X notice block to highlight something about the product that you are promoting. From your dashboard, you have to open the post or the page where you want to add in the Affiliate X notice block. Since I wish to add the Affiliate X notice block into this particular blog post, I'm going to open it in the new tab, and I will also open the post in the new tab so that you will be able to see the differences at the end. Back to our blog post. Click on the Add Block icon. Look out for Affiliate X notice. Here it is. Then click on it. And here is your Affiliate X notice block. In order to customize the block, you will see various settings under block on your right hand side. Now, before we dive into these settings, let's add some data first. I have added some data into the notice box. Now, let's dive into the settings. First option is the layout settings. From under the layout settings, you can choose layout. You can select layout 1, which is the default layout selected. You can go for layout number 2, which is this particular layout, or you can go for the layout number 3. I'm going to stick with the layout number 1. Then under the general settings, you will find options like setting the box border for your notice box. You have to click here. You can select the type of the border. Then from here, you can select the color of your choice. You can select the color from the palette, you can set the tone, or you can also add in the hex value. You can also set the border width, border radius, as well as the box shadow. You have to click here to select the color of your choice. Then you can select from any colors. After you have selected the color, you have to click on Adjust. Then you can make various adjustments with the help of these additional settings. As you can see, a slight shadow has already been added to the box. If you want to reset the setting, you have to click on the Reset button. Next is the Notice settings. Under the Notice settings, you can select the heading tag for the heading of your notice box. You can select from the list of these drop-down options. Then you can also select the heading title. You have to remove the title that is already here, then add in the title of your choice. You can also select the title alignment from left to center to right. Let's stick with left. Then you also have the option to show or hide the title icon right over here. If you wish to hide it, you have to disable the toggle, which will hide the title icon over here, or you can enable it back on to display it on the notice box. You can select from the list of icons available here that you can display on your notice box. So instead of this, if you want to add in something else, let's say this one, you simply have to click on this particular icon, which will then appear on your notice box. You can select from any of the other icons that you wish to. You can also select the size of the icon that you have added. You can slide the toggle over or under. Let's select 20 for now. We can readjust the size if we wish to later on. Then you can also select the content type. Selecting the paragraph allows you to add your content in paragraph, whereas if you select list, it allows you to add your notice in a list. Then you can select your text alignment from left to center to right. Let's stick with left again. Then you can also select the list type as unordered, or you can go with the ordered option. Under colors, you can set colors for various components of your Affiliate X notice block, such as changing the title color, setting the title background type. You can either select solid color or you can go for gradient. Let's stick with the solid color. And when you select solid color, you can change the title background color from here. So let's say, for example, instead of this green color, if I want to go for some other color, then click here. You have to select the color from the palette here. Maybe go for a blue color. Then you can also select the tone of the color that you have selected. You can also move the pointer to set the shade of your choice. I think this is fine. Following the same process, you can also select the content color as well as the content background type. You can go for the gradient or you can go for a solid color. Again, when you select solid color, you can set the content background color from here. Click here, then select the color of your choice. Let's go for a slightly lighter grayish color this time. The rest looks fine to me, so I'm not going to make any changes, but that is how you can change colors of various components on your Affiliate X Notice block. Next is the typography. Under typography, you can select the font family, you can select the font style, as well as set the font size, line height, and letter spacing for various components of your Affiliate X block. You have the option to set the typography for the title as well as the content. I'm okay with the typography settings here, except I want to increase the size of the title here a little bit. So click here, then let's adjust the font size. 23 is fine, maybe let's go for 24. And this is what it looks like. I'm fine with it. Now, after you have made your changes, click on Update. Let's go back to the same post that we had opened earlier in the beginning. Now let's give this post a refresh. And here is the Affiliate X Notice block that we just added and configured. If you have any question, if you did not understand anything, if there are any confusions, please let me know in the comment section below, or you can directly reach out to our support team. I have added the link to creating support ticket in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in our next video.